Okay, everyone, it says that let the random variable x be the number of days that a certain patient needs to be in the hospital. Suppose x as the PMF given right here. So if the patient is to receive $200 from an insurance company for each of the first 2 days in the hospital and $100 for each day after 2 days, what is the expected payment for the hospitalization? So first thing first, I drew a table here of x and f of x. So basically, the first day you get $200, the second day $200, the third day $200, and fourth day $100. So 3 and 4 each have $100 because in the PMF here it says that x goes from 1 through 4. So now we are looking for the expected payment. So it's basically the expected value of the payment, which is ux f of x, or x times f of x sometimes. But how are we going to find the expected payment? First, we need to find the PMF of the payment before we can find the expected payment. So the PMF of the payment of u of x, let's call it u of x, it would be, we know that we will get $200, so 200x in the first 2 days, where x equals 1 and 2. And in the last 2 days, we already have, if we're going to let's say x equals 3 and 4. Let's say x equals 3 and 4. Then we know that for sure we have 2 days already. So we would have already $400 or $400 plus in 3 and 4 we have $100, right? So because it's 2 days left, so we have 100 times x minus 2. Now, why is that? Because 100 times x minus 2 when x equals to 3 will be 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 1 times 100 equals to 100. If it's 4, then we get 2. 2 times 100 is 200. But the 400 is already there because you already spent 2 days. So 2 days will give you 400, and the last 2 days 200. I know that one is kind of like not easy to understand, but if you read it through, you'll see how we came up with this PMF of u of x. So the first 2 days here, the first 2 days, you will get 200x because each day is $200 each first 2 days. The last 2 days, you already have the first 2 days, so that means you already have $400. But what is the price? How would you find the PMF for the last 2 days? You would have to find x minus 2 times 100. So now, how do we find this expected value? We know that expected value is u of x, f of x. Okay? So, how is it going to be? It's going to be the expected value of 200x times f of x, which is 5 minus x over 10, where x equals 1 and 2, plus the expected value of 400 plus 100 times x minus 2 times 5 minus x over 10, where x equals 3 and 4. So what would that be equal to? well, that will be equal to 200. So when x equals to 1 and 2, let me just do this. So we would get something like this: 200 up 200. X is 1, so times 1 times 5 minus 1 over 10, okay, plus 200 times 2 times 5 minus 2 over 10, plus, now we're going to 4 and 3 and 4, so we get 400 plus 100 times 3 minus 2 times 5 minus 3 over 10 plus, and let's do 400 plus 100 times 4 minus 2 times 5 minus 3 over 10. So that will be the expected payment. This would equal to the expected payment of u of x. And I'm sure you can calculate this part now. I'm not going to do everything. So here's the idea to understand. We know that in the first 2 days, each day you get $200 each day. So that means if you're going to spend 2 days, you will walk out with $400 in your pocket. But here we have it to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when you get out in the 4th day, you're gonna have $600. But we need to find an equation, or an equation for let's say a general equation to write this table. So because we know in the first 2 days we'll get $200, so we get 200x where x equals to 1 and 2. And in the last 2 days, which is 3 and 4, we know that we already have 1 and 2, so we have $400 already, plus the extra days we are going to spend. So I hope this now made sense if you didn't catch it the first time. So this is what it is. I hope you understood, and I kind of did my best to explain to you the easiest way possible. So if you don't understand, please comment, or you can ask your teacher. Maybe he will explain it in a different way. But apart of that, that's about it. And if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down, of course. So, but thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.